what is that Gucci smelling like? You made me Mr. Dempsey here. So, for this evening, we're gonna be reacting to a 1 minute melee. We have Lightning taking on Wonder Woman. Now, I'll be straight up honest with you. I don't know who Lightning is, but we all know who Wonder Woman is. So, I'm not taking a vote. Because one, I don't know who Lightning is, and I don't want to sound biased. Because if I go with Wonder Woman, I might sound biased. So I don't want to sound biased. So I'm just not gonna take a vote. Anyways, let's go.
Two fighters, no research, 60 seconds, 1 minute melee. Select your character.
I love how that's.
As long as time still flows, I'll fight to spare. Guide me, Sarah.
This ought to be a match to remember.
Ready.
Fight!
Damn.
This melee's winner is Lightning! Have a suggestion for the show? Leave a comment below. Be sure to like this episode and share it with other.
That's gonna do, ladies and gentlemen. And I didn't even see what happened. That happened so fast. I guess that's why they call her Lightning, because she's that quick. What else can I say? I don't know what else to say. Well, yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Want to watch any trivia? Link in the description down below. And as usual, I'm Miriam Stancy. I'll see you on the next video. Till then, peace.